All right, in lesson 79, we're going to talk about systems of equations, and we're going to get to the first example right away. And in example 1, write down these equations that I have written, and you can see there's quite a few. And we start off with RA, TA, and notice that these are subscripted variables also. So we have RA, TA plus RP, TP equals 500. We have that equation. We know that RP is equal to 25, we know that TP is equal to 9, and TA is equal to 5. And this topic is called a system of equations because notice that we have more than one equation. We have actually quite a few. Anything that has an equal sign is an equation. Now really the key one though is this one right here. And I know that RP, I know what RP is, so I'm just going to put a line, or I'm going to highlight it, I guess. We know what RP is. We also know what TP is, and we know what TA is. So what I can do is I can substitute these values in. So in other words, the only thing that I don't know is what RA is. See, look. So I'm going to substitute 5 in for TA. So I have 5 times, so I'm taking this part of it, 5 times RA, which we don't know what RA is, we're going to find that out, plus, what's RP equal to? Well, 25 times whatever TP is, which is 9, equals 500. Now what I've done is I've been able to substitute these values in, so that now we have an equation where we only have one unknown variable, and I could solve for that. So we have 5 RA plus, let's see, 25 times the 9, we get 225 equals 500. Now simply solve it. So they're adding 225, subtract 225. And then take your 500 minus 225. And if we subtract this, I got to do an amount of borrowing, we get 275. Now end it off by dividing by 5. So 275 divided by 5. Bring down the 5 and we get 55. So RA then is equal to 55. All right, one more example, example 2, same type of thing. We have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 equations, and they want us to find TX and TH. The main equation is the one that's the most involved. So do I know what a lot of these letters are? Well, let's take a look. I know what RH is, so I'll highlight that. I know what RX is, I'll highlight that. And we kind of know what TX is. TX is TH minus 3, so I'm going to substitute those values in. So RH is 3, so I have 3TH being equal to, let's see, RX is 6, TX is this, it's a couple, so I got to have it in parentheses. Now after I've substituted these in, notice now that I have an equation that has one unknown variable, TH, and we can solve for that. So let's go ahead and do that. Distribute. Get all the TH's on one side, that's all I have over here, so I'm going to pick on the 6, so I'm going to subtract 6TH. These cancel. I have a negative 3 TH equals a negative 18. Now end it off by dividing by a negative 3, and I get 6. So TH is 6. So I know what TH is. Now I need to end it off. I also need to find out what TX is. Well, TX is whatever TH is, which is 6 minus 3. So TX is equal to 6 minus 3, or in other words, 3. So TX is 3, TH is 6. And what we've talked about then is systems of equations, and really all this is a repeated substitution in order to solve it for a certain variable.